Hello, I'm Renee Boston of Boston Law Group LLC.
And I'm Marcus Boston.
We were recently contacted by a gentleman who had some questions about a unique medical situation. He has a unique medical issue and sought help from different print media sources. Now, one particular magazine called him back and wanted to do an interview with him. However, they wanted him to sign a general release, and he had some questions about it, so he contacted us. Marcus, can you tell the people what exactly is a general release, and is signing one a good idea or not?
Well, if you have a pending case going, it's probably not going to be a good idea to sign a general release. And the reason this is the case is because what you are essentially doing is you are waiving your right to pursue your case any further once you sign that release. This is the same thing. We see this also in auto accident cases. At the end of the settlements, the insurance companies like you to sign a release, releasing all types of claims and anything that you may want to bring in the future that is stemming out of an event like this. So in this particular instance, if you do have a pending medical malpractice claim, or you think that you've been the victim of medical malpractice and someone wants you to sign a release stemming from the potential medical malpractice, you better think very hard before you sign anything like that.
Wow, that's very interesting, because I didn't think that the magazine would have anything to do with the actual underlying claim.
Well, again, it just depends on the language of the release itself. And it's just a situation where you don't want to take the risk.
Exactly.
You don't want the particular person who you may want to sue down the line, you don't want them to be able to come back and say, well, wait a minute, this particular person signed a release releasing anyone who could be possibly remotely connected with this claim. You don't want that to come back on you if you sign a general release.
Wow, that's good information.
So why have we taken the time, guys, today to talk with you about this? Because we realize that you may have concerns, you may have questions. You may be wondering right now, am I the victim of medical malpractice? And if I am the victim of medical malpractice, what should I do about it? Renee, what should they do?
Well, if your matter happened here in Maryland, the first thing you can do is pick up the phone and give us a call. We can be reached at 301-850-4832. Or if you want to send us an email, feel free to send us an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com.
Guys, we answer questions like yours all the time, and we will be glad to listen to your story. Well, that's it for today's short educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston.
And I'm Renee Boston.
And guys, we will see you next time. Guys, take care and have a great day.